Post-installed rebar is used successfully to connect concrete to concrete structural members. However, up to now, only applications which are planned with straight bars, in accordance to Eurocode 2, can be designed and executed with post-installed rebar. Consequently, moment-resisting reinforced concrete connections must be designed and executed as splices. In case of renovation or strengthening, splices are generally executed by expensive and labor-intensive work. It's a time-consuming process that typically includes partial demolition of concrete, new rebars welding, and later concrete restoration. Finally, the connection must be casted. With cast-in bars, rebar sticking out of the concrete can pose a danger to life. The requirements of detailing a moment resistance connection are costly, time-consuming, and labor-intensive. The new Hilti portfolio of high-performing ultimate mortars, HIT RE500V4 and HIT HY200RV3, together with new design method TR069, can help solve these problems. RE500V4 and HY200RV3 are the first products qualified for the new design method due to their higher bond strength. TR069 design method includes the option to design a variety of structural connections with straight post-installed rebars. It provides engineers several potential advantages: increasing the number of applications, greater flexibility during planning, and a safer job site. For a design in accordance with the latest regulations, use Hilti Profis Rebar design software. It provides you greater confidence that your system connections work as specified. To help save time and costs during installation, make sure you use the Hilti Ultimate Mortars with the Hilti SafeSet system. The SafeSet is an ETA-assessed method, including Hilti hollow drill bit connected to a Hilti vacuum that cleans the hole as you drill, thus helping to eliminate the time-consuming manual hole cleaning process. Still in doubt on the installation quality? Anchor site testing is a non-destructive method that provides you a detailed evaluation report on your post-installed rebar installation, so you can make better informed decisions. The new Hilti mortars, RE500V4 and HY200RV3, change the game for post-installed rebar. Benefits include increased application range and optimized design for concrete connections, from simply supported to moment-resisting rebars. Learn more at hilti.com and ask.hilti.com.